Look, 1.3 million views, 5.4 million, 4.8, all with these simple Reddit Minecraft videos that you can easily do yourself. That's why in this video, I'm gonna show you how. What's up guys, and welcome back to another video where we give you the best AI tips and tricks. I've already done this tutorial before, but with some updates to certain programs, we're going to have to throw those programs in the trash. This is a brand new way of how to make Minecraft Reddit TikTok videos. At the end of the video, I will be showing you some tips on how to run these Reddit accounts and other games you can use, so make sure you stay to the end. And as always, tools will be linked in the description down below. Step 1. The editing software. This seems to be the most crucial step of all, and I may have found the holy grail of editors, Davinci Resolve. Davinci is completely free with no watermark. This is what the website looks like, and we're going to scroll down and make sure we download the free version. In this tutorial, I'm using the one on the left and I'm on Windows. Once you have it downloaded, install it and open up Davinci. Create a new project and give it a name.
Step 2. The gameplays. Getting the gameplay is one of the easiest part of the process. You could scrub some gameplays off of YouTube by filtering in the Creative Commons while searching for the kind of background gameplay you want. But I also have the perfect website that already cuts up all the videos for you and offers copyright-free gameplay, and that is automatesocials.com. Just select gameplays or scroll down and click downloads, filter what game, and click the video you like. Now before I show you how to download, automatesocials.com offers pre-made Reddit overlays with the stories and captions already made, and all you have to do is drag the overlay to any background you want and you would have your own videos. If this interests you, use code AITIPS to help out the channel. Now back to the download. Just scroll to the download section and pick what aspect ratio you want. For TikTok and YouTube Shorts, we are going to want the vertical.
Drag the gameplay into Davinci. Once we're in Davinci, you can see that the gameplay is not the right size if you're doing the TikTok and YouTube Shorts aspect ratio. To fix this, go to File, Project Settings, and see this 1920 by 1080? We're just going to switch them and save. It's that easy. Step 3. The Reddit content. Go to reddit.com and search for the type of content you would like. I am going to go with something simple like the Ask Reddit subreddit. Pick an interesting thread and then use the snippet tool by pressing Windows, Shift, and S at the same time. Make sure to click this pop-up and select Save. And save this snippet in its own folder that you will be able to find. Now that it is saved, we have to go get our voice. Step 4. The voiceover. For our voiceovers, we are going to be using AITechSpeak.com. Pick a language, select AI voices, and pick the voice you like the most. Now go back to the Reddit post and just copy and paste everything in AI Text Speak. You can change the output volume, speech rate, and add pauses where they need to go, and then preview the file to make sure everything is up to code. Once it is good, press synthesize, scroll down, and download the file. Now it's time to put it all together. The final step is putting it all together. To put it all together, go to the edit section right here and drag the snippet and the voiceover into Davinci. You might want to get rid of the gameplay audio, so right click on the gameplay, left click, then unlink. Once it is unlinked, make sure to only have the audio selected and press delete or backspace. To change the size of the snippet, select the transform button right here and change the size and location to where it looks good. Now make sure the voiceover and the snippet are the same length. And then you go back to the thread and complete the same steps to all the other comments. Finally, you're going to want to get rid of the extra gameplay. So go back to the Cut tab and then line it up to where there's no more gameplay and press Cut. And then delete the extra gameplay. Once you are finished, go to File, Quick Export, and select Export. And this is the example we made in this video.
Which fun facts are completely wrong?
Now, as promised, some tips. When running these accounts, you are going to want to make sure you are utilizing two things. The first thing is hashtags. This will allow your videos to pop up in hashtags and get exposure. And we want every chance we can get to have our video viewed. People will click on the hashtag and are able to scroll through, giving you as a new channel a better chance to get views. You are going to want to make sure you are using the most up-to-date tags, and I suggest just looking at what other users are using to help you out. The second thing is using the pin feature on your profile. This will allow you to show your best videos first, hoping that people click and scroll through the most popular posts and to your newest post, helping that post's algorithm. You are going to want around 3 posts pinned. Remember, we are using these posts to get them to click and scroll through our profile. This will act like a funnel, having all your posts help out your newer posts, hopefully gaining you more followers and likes. Now for other games. There are many other games that could work, but the most popular games that people are using besides Minecraft are GTA, Fall Guys, and Subway Surfer. To get gameplay, use the exact same method as Minecraft gameplay. Now when you are going through other games, make sure you know what kind of gameplay to look for. In Minecraft, parkour is good. In GTA, cars jumping through obstacle courses look like it works the best. So make sure you know what kind of gameplay to look for. Those are the 3 games that look like they do the best. Thank you for watching. Make sure to watch this video for another way to make money on YouTube. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed. And see you later.